Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So today we're doing an unboxing, and I absolutely love this box, but I hate that it always comes at the end of the month. Sometimes I don't even get it up until like the 1st or 2nd of the next month, but they've been killing it. Also, my voice, I've had strep throat for the past week, so if I sound a little off or I look a little off, that's probably why, because I'm still struggling with it. But anyway, I am talking about the box. Now, this is the box by Fashionsta. It is a $25 a month subscription, and they also have a men's version of this. And they last month they did like an around the world thing, and they killed it. I love this subscription, and I have been getting it almost since the very beginning. It is a great box. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it, you guys. All right. So when you open it up, you are greeted with a card, and it is wrapped up nicely, and lots of little black squigglies, which I wish they would do away with those, but you know. And this theme is 20s soiree, S-O-I-R-E-E. We present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glamour of the 1920s with our October box, filled with a curation of makeup and skincare to keep you and your skin glam and dance party ready. We hope you enjoy this month's product, and remember, you are truly beautiful inside and out. That is awesome. Fantastic. Love that. And I love the 20s. This value of this box is $131. So that's amazing. And get extra glitzy and glam with the name brands you love. I don't know what that means. 30% off. Oh, okay. On Fashionsta's website, you can get 30% off using the code GLITZ30, and that's all caps. So that is right there if you guys are interested in that. So let's jump right into it. I'm excited. At least I have something to look forward to when I'm not feeling the best. All right. So the first thing I'm seeing is something I have gotten repeatedly, but it is a good product, so I'm not mad at it. And it is from Skin & Co. And it is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, valued at $28. Ideal for all skin types, Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is an essential step in the cleansing routine for removing makeup, dirt, and impurities accumulated throughout the day for hydrated and radiant skin. Cruelty-free, vegan-free, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Not mad. 100 milliliters, 3.38 fluid ounces. It does work, and can't complain. Not at all. All right, moving on. It looks like another. Okay, I've never seen this. Where are you? What are you? All right, so Color Proof, Color Care Authority, Color Proof Hair Bio Repair 8. Why it says 8? Might be 8 ingredients. Thickening Blow Dry Spray. I've never seen anything like this in a box. $32. Grips to individual hair fibers to increase density and weightlessly volumize fine thinning hair. Delivers active plant stem cells to restore aging tissue, strengthen and protect against breakage, leaves hair soft and visibly fuller, with color and heat protection up to 450 degrees for all your 1920s inspired hairstyling, cruelty-free and paraben-free. That's awesome. I would smell it, but I can't smell anything right now because of me having this cold. But that's awesome. I really like this. Okay. Good product right there. Definitely excited to try that. All right. This scares me a lot. It scares me a lot. And this is Georgette Killinger. I'm sorry if I don't say that right. Charcoal Drying Lotion, valued at $19. Apply this treatment at the first sign of trouble, and you'll wake up to a calm complexion that looks good as new and ready to hit town. Supports clearer, calmer skin, unblocks and purifies pores, draws out excess oil, relieves redness, puffiness, swelling, and irritation. Made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Okay. Apply at night after cleansing and toning. Do not shake bottle. Okay. Allow product to settle. Dip a fresh cotton swab into a sediment and lightly dab onto troubled areas. Let dry. Rinse off in the morning. I mean, okay. I'm blessed that I don't get a whole lot of breakouts, but when I do, that actually sounds like really good. Okay. Moving on. We have a Gerard Cosmetics. What? I'm stunned. Okay. I've never seen a Gerard Cosmetics in a box. All right, this is Kiss Assist Limp Plumper, valued at $21. Plump up the volume with this innovative lip plumper that doubles as a clear lip gloss. The perfect gloss to keep your lips glistening and refreshed on a night out when you need a little gloss pick-me-up. I'm so excited for this. I love Gerard Cosmetics, and I really want to get her eye primer. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so here we go. It's just a clear gloss. I'm not going to be able to smell anything. Actually has like a pink tint to it, but it doesn't show up. Yeah, I can't smell anything at all. But it doesn't show up on the skin. You can just see the gloss. I'm excited about that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. I told you the box just kills it, you guys. Kills it. Let's make sure nothing else is in there. We have 2 items left. They must really think it's breakout season. Here's a charcoal mask. I usually give these to my son, so no big deal here. And this is from Lapkos. And it is a charcoal pore care sheet mask valued at $3. Infused with charcoal powder to purify and brighten skin. Draws out impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. Detoxifying, tightening, and hydrating. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. Not bad. And then the last thing looks like it is a palette, and it is gorgeous looking. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can take it out and see if it's not as glitzy as this is. It's so pretty. Can you see that? There we go. I'm not going to hold it up and blind you because it probably will. So this says LA Splash, probably LA Splash. Cosmetics Golden Gatsby Old Money Highlighting Palette, valued at $28. Bringing all the glitters and shimmers of the 1920s, this lightweight 4-shade refined formula delivers buildable coverage with a metallic luster finish. For a stunning glow, sweep over the high points of your beautiful face, made in the USA and cruelty-free. The packaging is gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. So there, you see, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It's definitely a lady from the 20s picture. Oh, it's so cute. And then there are your colors. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. And it's Dough, Mazuma, Sugar, and Scratch. Since I am not feeling well, I'm not really going to touch these right now. I probably shouldn't have opened that gloss either, but I will let you know how it is. But that is so pretty, and the packaging is so cute. So let's recap our box really quick, and then we're going to go over my, this is from, who is this from? The Glow Addict box, and it's just a mystery box, and it was so small, so I figured I'd just add it to the end of this. So real quick, we have the highlighting palette, this beautiful hair product, which is really cool, the charcoal fluid, the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss, the charcoal mask, and then the Skin & Co. whipped cleansing cream for $25. You guys, I'm telling you, they kill it. They kill it. They kill it every single month. All right, so let's just see what's in this really quick. I didn't want to do a video on it because it doesn't seem like there's a lot of stuff in here. So, I think it was only like 15 bucks. So I was like, all right, let's get it. So let's see what's in this bag, if I can get into it. All right. Does it have any kind of card or anything? Nope, no card or anything, just kind of thrown in there. All right, so first is another mask, and it is a vitamin 2-step sheet mask, JJ Young. Okay. Then we have Shining Eyes Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow from Steb, and it's in black. Let me see if I can get it out to show you. It's like a Stila dupe. Yeah, there you go. Right there. And we have 3D Faux Mink Lashes from Lashybox. And this is Missy. And they're upside, that doesn't make any sense. They're upside down. Okay. So there's Missy. And then there's one more thing in here. And it is a Ruby May Cosmetics. I don't know if this was worth the 15 bucks, but okay. And I already have this. It is the shade Floyd, like I said, from Ruby May Cosmetics. So that was the mystery box from Glow Addict Box. I don't know why I picked it up, but anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know what you thought of the boxes products down below. Do you think they killed it again? I do. I think they kill it every month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.